Hello students, today I came with an interesting activity which will help you to feel the wonderful exponential growth. For that what you have to do is take a sheet of paper, then fold it in the middle. When one paper, normally when we are folding, 2 layers of paper will be there. Then again you fold, then 2 layers become 4 layers. Then again you fold, then 4 layers become 8 layer, that is thickness will be increased. Now the funny fact is that after 46 folding, the thickness of the paper will be very large. Very large means it will so high to reach the moon, or we can use it as a ladder to the moon. This activity shows the power of exponential growth. Now based on this activity, we will discuss page number 20. That is here folding and thickness is given. First 17 fold and at that time thickness already they were given. That is in the first fold 2 layers will be there. When a paper is folding, 2 layers will be there. So thickness is, normal thickness of the paper is 0.001. When you are taking a paper or sheet of paper from your copy, that thickness. Now when you fold that paper 2 layers, at that time thickness will be 2 multiplied with the 0.001. That is answer will be this one, 0.002. 1 fold 2 layer, so thickness you will get by 2 multiplied by this 0.001. Now second fold, this thickness will be double. That is you have to multiply with 2 to get the second fold thickness. Now again third fold thickness you will get by multiplying this answer with the 2. So every time you will get the answer by multiply the above thickness with the 2. So here up to 17 the thickness is given 131. If you want the 18th fold thickness, what you have to do is multiply this number with the 2. That is 18th fold thickness will be 262 centimeter. In the same way you can find the remaining thickness also. Here this 18, 19, 20 all the thickness is given. Here thickness is given, but 21 onwards thickness is not given. So 20 thickness is 10.4. So 21st thickness you can find by multiply this with the 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 10s are 20, 20.8 meter. Here 21 thickness will be 20.8. So I have 21 thickness 20.8 meter. Now 22 thickness you can find by multiply this answer with the 2. So answer will be 41.6. Now 23rd thickness you can find by multiply 22nd thickness with the 2. Then you will get the answer. Similarly 24 you will get by 23rd thickness multiply with the 2. That is every time thickness will get double. And here also 25th thickness you can find by this answer with multiply with the 2. Now we will discuss how this thickness grows. When you fold the paper, the thickness is calculated using the power of 2. And how it comes, now we will discuss. In the zero fold means paper is not folding. At that time thickness is 0.001. That is thickness of the paper we have taken is 0.001. Now in the first fold you know 2 layers will be there. So thickness will be 2 multiplied with the 0.001, or 2 we can write 2 to the power 1 because 2 is same as 2 raised to 1. Now in the second fold 4 layers will be there, and 4 we can express as 2 square. Here I have mentioned that 4 you can express as 2 square. So thickness will be 4 layers ka thickness 4 multiplied by 0.001, or we can write it as 2 square into 0.001. Now here it is 4 layers. Now in the next fold, that is third fold, it become 8. Every time it doubles. First it was 1 paper, then after that it 2, then after that 4, then after that 8. Now 8 layers thickness you can find by 8 multiplied with the 0.001, and this we can express 8 as 2 cube. So 2 cube multiplied with the 0.001. So we are getting a pattern. First fold thickness is 2 raised to 1 multiplied with the initial thickness. Second fold, when the number second fold, here power is 2. 2 to the power 2 or 2 square multiplied with the initial thickness. Third fold, at that time power of 2 become 3. 2 raised to 3 multiplied with the initial thickness. So if you know the initial thickness, the thickness at different folds you can find. That is in the 10th fold thickness you can find by 2 raised to 10. 10th fold. So 2 raised to 10. Then initial thickness, that is 0.001. In that way, any folding at that time thickness you can find. I think all of you understood this explanation.